lot of modern motorcycles come with a bunch of advanced electronics, and some have cell phone connectivity and even the ability to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But what if you own a motorcycle without this ability? That's where wireless motorcycle displays such as the Aoocci C5 Pro comes in. The idea of this unit is to enable the use of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on motorcycles without having the need to mount your phone on the bike. This allows you to keep your phone safely tucked away in your jacket pocket or backpack, thus saving it from the elements as well as the dangerous vibrations from the bike and risk breaking the phone camera. The C5 Pro is also a dashcam for your motorcycle. Although the unit I am reviewing was provided by Aoocci, this is an honest user review and feedback. The C5 from Aoocci is a brilliant motorcycle display unit that comes with everything you need to mount and hook up the device to your motorcycle. In the box, you get the instruction manual, the CarPlay display which actually looks pretty good. The C5 Pro comes with front and rear camera units that function as a dash cam. You get a power supply unit that you can attach to your motorcycle's battery. The C5 Pro also comes with tire pressure monitors. You get a bunch of different mounting options and a sunshade, which is pretty useful. In the box is also the tool for the TPMS units and a short arm mounting bracket, which is actually theft proof. Aoocci also has a bunch of other mounting options, such as the fork stem mount if you ride a sport bike or a motorcycle with clip-on style handlebars, a U-mount with 1-inch ball for regular handlebars, a brake lever mount, or a mirror mount. I ride a Kawasaki Ninja H2SX, which is a sports tourer and has clip-on style handlebars, therefore the supplied mounts really did not work for me. However, Aoocci was kind enough to provide me with appropriate mounting hardware that comes with a 1-inch ball type mount for the display and the fork stem mount. For power supply, as I have a USB power supply, I decided to use a USB cable to power the display. Next up are the camera units. These can be either hard mounted to your motorcycle using the supplied screws or soft mounted using the 3M adhesives that come within the box as well. I decided to mount the cameras using the 3M adhesive in order to not having to screw them to my bike's fairing. Finally, there are the TPMS units, one for the front and one for the rear. Ensure these are tightened properly using the supplied tool. Then it's time to connect the cables for the power and the camera units. Carefully tie the excess cables using a zip tie and tuck them away and peel off the display protection film. Powering on the unit, it takes a few seconds to load, after which you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth. The screen is quite nice and responds well to touch. There's a nice console mode which shows speed, a compass and the tire pressure readings. Going to the settings menu provides a list of options to change the system settings. Interconnections allows us to choose between Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Tire pressure settings menu is used to pair the TPMS units initially and change the display units. Go to the speed unit menu to toggle between kilometers and miles. Screensaver menu provides you the ability to turn off screensaver or choose a time for the screensaver to turn on if no activity is detected. The C5 comes preloaded with a bunch of different language options to choose from. The phone audio menu provides the ability to play the audio from the phone instead of the CarPlay unit. This comes handy if you have your helmet intercom connected to your phone rather than the CarPlay unit. This way the audio plays through the helmet intercom speakers via the phone. I used the Aoocci C5 Pro for a month and this is my honest feedback. Apart from the part that the display takes some time to load, I had pretty much no other concerns. The brightness of the C5 is amazing. Even in bright daylight, I could easily see what's displayed. The 1-inch ball type mount on the C5 is great, which provides flexibility to mount the display to pretty much any kind of motorcycle. The provided mounting hardware should work for most types of motorcycles. But even if doesn't, there are still other ways you can mount this to your bike, such as using the fork stem ball mount I used. The dual cameras provide peace of mind with 2-channel motorcycle dash cam. Front and rear cameras record everything 24/7. crystal clear footage protects you in case of disputes. The camera's record video footage in stunning HD. Sharp video ensures clear license plates and vivid details, perfect for reliving your rides or providing evidence if needed. The C5 supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access navigation, music, and communication features wirelessly while on the go. The Aoocci C5 is IPX7 waterproof and built to handle rain, dust, and anything the road throws your way. The C5 includes built-in GPS, recording your location and speed alongside your ride footage. This is perfect for accident investigation, remembering scenic routes, or simply monitoring your riding habits. It also has a built-in G sensor that automatically detects impacts and saves the video footage. This critical evidence can help you in case of an accident, making handling the situation easier. The TPMS sensors monitor your tire pressure in real time, alerting you to any leaks or pressure changes. This helps ensure optimal performance and prevents accidents caused by underinflated tires. Having the ability to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto means you don't have to take out your phone frequently while riding, ensuring safety, as well as the ability to use Google Voice or Siri to get directions, listen to music, make calls and other functions anytime and anywhere. Overall, I was really impressed with the Aoocci C5 Pro, and it is a great alternative to mounting your phone to the bike if you fear damaging it or if you don't want to splurge on an expensive dedicated sat-nav. Thanks for watching till the end. If you would like to get yourself the Aoocci C5 Pro motorcycle display with dashcam and TPMS, click the link in the description and use the discount code FULLTHROTTLE22 to get an amazing 22% off on the price. If you have any questions or would like to know more about the Aoocci C5 Pro, leave them in the comments below and I will revert to you. If you liked this video, then smash that like button, and if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.